This is a medium difficulty GRE quantitative reasoning sample question. This practice question is of the format numeric entry, so you won't have any answer options. We'll have to find the answer and key it into a box which is given. Right. This question is from the chapter Rates, focuses on the concept of work time. So framing equations for work time scenario is the crux of what is tested in this question. This question is a little tricky for the simple reason they've mixed quite a few things in this case. So you'll have to exercise caution in this question. That's why it becomes a medium difficulty question. Conceptually, it's not very difficult. Machine A polishes X units in 12 minutes. Machine B polishes 5X units in 40 minutes. In how many minutes will A and B working together polish 50X units? Somewhere X units, somewhere 5X units, somewhere 50X units. So mixed up things quite a bit. So we need to exercise caution as we solve this question. Let's pick the first piece of information about machine A. Machine A takes 12 minutes to polish X units. So in 1 minute, which is 1/12 of the time, how many units will it be able to polish? It'll polish X by 12 units in 1 minute. In any work time question, bring it down to how much work is done per unit time, per minute, per hour, per day, depending upon whatever is the unit for time that's mentioned in that question. Second part, it says that machine B takes 40 minutes to polish 5X units. 40 minutes for 5X units. So for X units, how long will it take? Divided by 5 on both sides, it's going to take 8 minutes. So it takes 8 minutes to polish X units. So in 1 minute, we are again bringing it in all work time questions. The equation is framed by finding out how much work is done, what fraction of work is done in unit time. So in 1 minute, how many units will it polish? 8 minutes, X units. So divided by 8, we get 1 minute. Divide this also by an 8. So it will polish X by 8 units. So A alone in 1 minute will polish X by 12 units. B alone in 1 minute will polish X by 8 units. If A and B work together, they're going to polish X by 12 plus X by 8 units in 1 minute. Let's find out what that number is. Take a common denominator, which is the LCM of 12 and 8, which is at 24. So 2 times 12, so numerator multiplied with a 2, 2x. 3 times 8 is a 24, so multiply this numerator with a 3. So it's going to leave us with 3x to result in 5x by 24 units are produced in 1 minute or polished in 1 minute. They're talking about polishing. So in 1 minute, 5x by 24 units are polished. Now, the question is, in how many minutes will it take to polish 50x units? I'm going to get to the answer in the next 2 steps. Multiply both sides of this equation by 24. So in 24 minutes, you will have 5x by 24 times 24 units polished. So that translates to 5x units will be polished by both these machines working together in 24 minutes. That's step number 1. The question is asking us, how long will it take to polish 50x units? 50x units is 10 times 5x units. So it's going to take 10 times as much time. So that's going to be 24 into 10, which is equal to 240 minutes. So to polish 50x units, the 2 machines working together will take 240 minutes. Quickly run through this in a printed form, so it will recap it in the process. X by 12 is the number of units polished by machine A in 1 minute. X by 8 is the number of units polished by machine B in 1 minute. So in 1 minute, when they work together, they'll polish X by 12 plus X by 8. This is what A polishes. This is what B polishes. This is what A and B together will polish, number of units. So that translates to 5x by 24 units in 1 minute. So if they work for 24 minutes, they'll polish 24 times as many units, which translates to 5x units. So it takes 24 minutes for these 2 machines to polish 5x units. How long will these 2 machines therefore take to polish 50x units? 10 times as many units. It's going to take 10 times as much time, which is 240 minutes. Choice, there's no choice here because it's a numeric entry question. The answer that you need to key in is equal to 240. Before you leave, I want you to do 2 things. 1, sign up as a trial user at wzko.in/quant. The URL is there on the screen. This is a GRE online quant course, the most comprehensive course you will get. You can sign up either on the web using Google Chrome browser, or you can download our Android or iOS app and get started. It takes all of 5 minutes and 3 steps to get started. Start with the free topics, start with statistics, averages, and a few lessons in data interpretation. Build momentum into your GRE quant preparation. Once you've got the momentum and you find that this teaching methodology helps you prepare for the GRE, you can pay and access the remaining topics behind the paywall. Second thing I want you to do, is subscribe to this channel, youtube.com/VisaccoGRE, and turn on notifications. If you have friends or classmates preparing for the GRE, let them know about this channel and this online course. Until next time, stay healthy, stay safe, and stay motivated.